good with it, YouTube? It's your boys Chaotic Kicks. I'm back with another video. But before I get into all that, man, I want to say if you're new to the channel, I appreciate you pulling up. And while you're here, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I drop a video. And if you've been rocking with me, man, I appreciate you pulling back up. Look, before I get into all that, man, listen. I was gonna do my video on this box right here today, and to let you guys know what's inside here. This is the OVO Toronto Raptors 4 with Drake's signature on one of the tongue of the shoe. But we all know that the 350 V2 black Yeezy dropped this morning, so in retail stores, and I was able to pick that shoe up. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this for tomorrow, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into this box right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all a quick review, detail, and look at the shoe, man. With this shoe right here, man, I was able to hit on the finish line raffle that they had, and I went and picked the shoe up today just to give you guys this review with it. Okay, so with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get into it. You know what I'm saying? As for the box itself, it's a 350, as you can see, Boost. The colorway reads black, black, black. This is a size 9. Retail price is $220. And man, let's open it up and see what this bad boy look like. As you can tell, it comes with standard white paper like a retro one would come, right? And man, just by looking at it, man, I can tell, man, this is a dope shoe, man. Also, man, the reflective pair of this dropped June 6th. I guess that was yesterday, man. I was unable to cop those, you know. But, you know, you win some, you lose some, man. It is what it is, you know. But I think with these here, man, the last time we seen a dark color Yeezy, man, was in 2017 when we got the Breads, you know. To be honest, like, I do not have any of these in my own personal collection, man, you know what I'm saying? But a lot of my friends and partners that I deal with on YouTube and off of YouTube, man, they telling me this is a real comfortable shoe to have on your foot, you know what I'm saying? And you also know they got the 500s and the 700s, you know? And I have neither, you know, but eventually I'm gonna start to add some of these into my collection one day. But to go over the shoe a little bit, you got this netting that runs on any V2 that you would get, any 350 Boost you would get, man. You know what I'm saying? To show your color line, your color of your sock line, or whatever sock that you choose. But in this, I don't think it really matters. I don't think you will see much in this shoe anyway. Also, I was told that the laces on the non-reflective shoe does light up. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but I'm trying to give you a good close-up as possible. You know what I'm saying? And also, you do have the pull tab back here. You got a red dotted line all the way from the left to the right of the pull tab. And man, you know, it's a Yeezy, man. You know, you got your Yeezy Boost back here underneath the shoe, man. You know, ain't too much more. Inside on the tongue, it does have the Yeezy, Adidas Yeezy in the inside on the insole of the shoe, you know. The tongue of it, man, you know, it's just this string material, you know what I'm saying? Nothing much, nothing different, man. Just like any other V2, you know what I'm saying? The only difference is that this colorway is black, and I feel like this was more limited than the reflective pair, you know what I'm saying? So hope you was able to get your hands on them if you really wanted them, man, you know what I'm saying? Me, I was unable to cop my personal pair, but I was able to cop a 9.5 just to give you guys this review, you know. Man, you know, I also heard people talking about this sneaker reminds them of the Pirate Blacks. You know, I guess they was calling these the Pirate Blacks 2.0, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, y'all let me know in the comments if y'all went after this shoe, if you won on raffles at any of these retail stores. Leave a comment at the bottom, let me know, you know. Also, before I get out of here, man, I want y'all to know, man, I want to give a huge shout out to SOLEPREMISE, man. While I was away on my vacation last week with my family, man, I had this SOLEPREMISE box that I ordered a bag from them, man, and it came in while I was gone. And I feel like I want to do the unboxing with y'all, man. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and open this box and see what it's hitting for, man. You know what I'm saying? The whole crew rock with SOLEPREMISE, man. And bruh, you know, according to the crew and according to what I see on Instagram as well as YouTube, man, these bags are very dope to have, man. As you can see, it does come with a SOLEPREMISE sticker, and this probably gonna go on my laptop or my tablet, whichever one I may choose, you know what I'm saying, to put that on. Also came in the box was a receipt, you know. Unfortunately, I didn't get a t-shirt, but maybe on the next one. But as for the bag itself, man, you know, this is a very dope bag, man. You know what I'm saying? I did choose the black one. You know what I'm saying? I'm really digging this, man. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and check out the compartments and see what's actually inside of here, man. You know, I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way around the bag. You know what I'm saying? So, from the looks of it, man, at the bottom part, look like you can also store a pair of shoes here too, man. You know, since I got the Yeezys, I'm gonna go ahead and try them in here, man, and see how that works out. You know? You see, man, they fit good in there. Let's just apply the zip into it, man, and see how it works. Look like that would work perfect, man. Go up in there without the shoes being damaged, scratched, or anything, man. Any scuffles or anything on the plane. And yes, man, these bags are also TSA approved, man. You can carry these things on the plane. You know, not only that, man. Even if you're in school, man, college, high school, you know what I'm saying, and you're able to afford one of these things, man. And if you do, man, go ahead and use promo code Chaotic Kicks and get yourself a 30% discount off of any bag that you choose of your purchase, man. You know what I'm saying? And that's real talk, man. But yeah, but like I was saying, man, whether you're in school or whatnot, man, say if you do want to wear a pair of retro Jordans to school and you want to bring an extra pair of shoes to do your activities in, man, you know what I'm saying? These bags right here are the ones to have, man. You can look fly and also exercise, work out, and do anything else that you decide to do with these bags, man. And you can still, at the end of the day, still come out looking fresh and looking clean, man, as if when you first started your day off, man. You know what I mean? But let's check out some more compartments on this bag, man, and we can get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the shoes from here and try other compartments to show y'all how they fit inside, man. You know. Zip this back up. As you can tell, that's right here, man. You can keep a wallet, glasses, you know, stuff like that, man, in this bag. And also in this little compartment too, man, you know. Little light material stuff to carry on with. But let's get into the vital sections, man, where the shoes and laptop things can go. As for the first part, man, I'm gonna stick one in here. Show y'all how it fit inside here. You know what I'm saying? Give you a good detailed look at this and how it fits. As you can tell, as one can go here, you know, you can drop some other stuff here, man. So far, there's 2 spots where you can keep a pair of shoes, man. Tell the laptop is in there. While I'm at it, man, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the last compartment back here and show y'all that I can have the laptop and the sneakers all in the same bag, man. You know? So there you have it, man. I got the laptop and the sneaker in the bag itself, man. And I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys. Let you see how they look. You know. You know what I'm saying? Perfect for traveling, man. Perfect, man. You got your home away from home inside one bag, man. One bag. So, that being said, man, y'all go ahead and head over to SOLEPREMISE.com, man, and order y'all one of these SOLEPREMISE bags, man. You know what I'm saying? And use code Chaotic Kicks, man, to get you 30% off, man. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, man, so that you can head over to SOLEPREMISE and copy one of these dope bags, man. But other than that, man, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and also leave a like, a comment, and share this video, man. Other than that, it's Chaotic Kicks, and I'm out. Peace.